So me and my grandmother are coming to the grocery store today, and we are getting some groceries. We're also getting stuff for orange preserves, orange pear preserves. Is it orange pear preserves, Grandmama?
Pineapple.
Oh, orange pineapple preserves. And we're gonna make those and we're gonna can them. We're gonna what?
Freeze them.
Oh, we're gonna freeze them. We're not gonna can them. I thought we were canning this.
No, freeze this.
Okay, so we're gonna freeze orange pineapple preserves. We're all masked up because we don't want to catch the bad juju that's going around. Are we ready? All right, Speedy, let's go. I'll get the door. Some pretty rocks. I see that. I put a couple over there.
Yeah, that woman is watching you while he's doing that.
While we're here in the store, also gonna hide some painted rocks. Me and my mom paint rocks and then we hide them for people to find. Maybe to give somebody a little bit of joy in their day. So we're gonna go over here and get some oranges for our orange pineapple preserves. That looks like oranges right there. But we're gonna hide one of our rocks here too with the oranges. You need how many?
6.
2, 4, 6, 7. It's got 7. The moon pies. Need anything else from over here? Some sweet potatoes. You want some sweet potatoes? Okay. Those are big fatties, aren't they? Big fat cantaloupes. Are you wanting one now?
I don't make one that big. That last space. Oh, it is free. I guess that means I got to watch what I say.
No, say anything you want to, Grandma. Say anything you want to.
Did you get all your rocks here?
Yeah. I don't know if anybody's gonna pick them up, but I got them hid.
That's all you could do. You couldn't make them.
I'll just take them gloves off.
Well, I thought I'd wear them until I got this stuff put up.
Well, here.
I got some.
Well, have you used it?
No.
Well, you need to use it.
On top of them gloves?
Yeah. If them gloves have got germs on it, you just gonna spread them everywhere.
You know, they told on television the other day that's just as good till the alcohol dries up in it.
What do you mean?
This hand sanitizer, it's got alcohol in it, and the value of it just lasts as long as the alcohol's wet.
Well, I guess that makes sense because alcohol's what's killing whatever the germs are.
But they got something that comes out now that's supposed to last 4 hours, you see.
Oh.
both had you on our mind and said, I just called you.
Well, that was nice of him, wasn't it?
Well, why can't he do that while he's at home, though?
Well, I don't know. Now, what if Lonnie watches this video?
Yeah. He's in Florida.
You don't think they got the internet in Florida?
Well, that's all right. It'll be a lesson to him. Of course, I appreciate him calling, but he said, I've been missing your singing. He said, I was playing the guitar the other day and I played one that you sang and made me think of you.
Oh, how sweet. Wonder what people's gonna do with all these children they having to keep home and school.
I don't know what are they going to do with this empty schools. Parents ain't even going to get no rest now. They have them year round, I reckon. But I don't blame them. If I had kids, I wouldn't want to send them out either.
Well, I probably wouldn't have sent mine either, but the man drove me crazy.
That's what I'm saying. Parents ain't gonna get no rest. Of course, the thing of it is, most of them's at work, I guess, and somebody else is seeing after them. But if they homeschool them, they may have to stay there and do that themselves.
Yeah, I'm liable to. If it ever quit raining, we can get that driveway in here.
I know, but if he can get his truck fixed,
The church guy, not yet. I ain't heard from him, so I guess not.
I said, and he gets his truck fixed. He can't haul it till he gets his truck fixed, so he can't get it fixed till he can get in there.
Right.
You see what I saying?
I understand.
I've got a pretty good crowd there for the dollar store. I would like to go spend a little time well in Barbara if I wasn't afraid to. Or at least let them come up here. But there goes so much, I don't know what kind of people. And he's so bad to go up and shake hands with them. And I'm afraid for him to come.
nice of her.
Yes, it was, but I didn't let her do that. I don't even like for y'all to have to.
Well, we're just paying for our raising, Grandmama.
Well, I didn't charge you, though.
Well, paying back all them chocolate gravies that you made me, and candied carrots, and all them cheesecakes. I'm hungry.
Well, I got a pineapple upside down cake cooked.
I think I'm gonna go home and cook supper now. Because if I don't, I'm gonna end up eating something and ruin my supper.
I come in from over last night, and the more I thought about that pineapple upside down